Ever dreamed of harvesting fresh tomatoes right from your balcony? With this step-by-step guide, you can grow your own in any urban space.
It's easier than you think, Wall. Let's get started.
First, choose a sturdy terracotta pot and ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. Mix rich compost with worm castings for nutrient-packed soil that tomatoes love. Fill your pot halfway, leaving room for your tomato seeds or seedlings. Sow your tomato seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Space them out for healthy growth. Cover lightly with more soil and pat down softly to secure them. Give it a gentle first watering to kickstart germination without drowning the seeds.
In 5 to 10 days, you'll see sprouts. Keep the soil moist and in a sunny spot.
Check soil daily. It should be moist like a wrung-out sponge for strong roots.
Rotate the pot every few days to promote balanced growth in your sunny spot.
Once true leaves appear, fertilize lightly every 2 weeks with worm castings for nutrients. Prune any yellowing bottom leaves to improve airflow and prevent disease.
Support taller stems with stakes to keep your plant upright as it vegetates. As buds form, water in the early morning to avoid wet leaves at night and encourage blooming. Help pollination by gently shaking the flowers. Soon you will see them turn into tiny green fruits. Watch fruits set after flowering. Maintain consistent moisture to prevent blossom end rot.
Add extra support as fruits fatten to bear the weight without breaking branches. Monitor daily in this stage too. Even watering and sun will help them grow plump and juicy.
Harvest when tomatoes are fully colored and slightly soft. Twist or cut gently to avoid damage. Pick in the morning for best flavor. Store at room temp, away from direct sun to preserve freshness.
Use them fresh in salads or sauces, and homegrown taste unbeatable and pesticide-free.
From seed to table, you've grown your own urban oasis distress. Simple, rewarding, and delicious.